Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Sally Jack's TV Mum. I'm going to do something today that I haven't done for years, so I have no idea whether it's going to turn out good or not because I haven't even practiced this. So first of all, before we go into what I'm going to be doing with my eyelashes, because I have no idea whether it's going to be a complete and utter disaster, so we're going to try it, see how I go on, because all my eyelashes have now fallen off, as in the extensions. But I just wanted to talk about my hair, because I've put a couple of pictures up, and a few people have been asking about how I do my hair. So I do it with what's called the Babyliss Pro, and it's a tool that's kind of got three-way like that, so it's really easy to do. I've actually done a tutorial, I did it last year, so that is also in the link below if you want to go and see how I did that. So it's really simple. I push it up and I go a bit more crazy because I love it. But you can flatten it down if you wish, but a lot of people are doing these kind of beachy waves. If I put it back so I can actually do this, are you ready? So I don't wear eyelash extensions all the time. No, I don't do that. But what I do is I have them if I'm going to spa days or things like that, and I have them when I go on holiday, so I'm by the pool, so it doesn't look like I've got no eyes like it does now. No eyes. That's how I feel when I've got no eyelashes on. Obviously I work in television if anybody follows me, so I wear strips of eyelashes all the time on my eyes, and I love them. And my preference is always eyelure, because they come in the double packs or the 5 packs that you can get. Pick them up at TK Maxx and they're easy, and one set of eyelashes will last me maybe 5 wears. So if I'm working a week in television, I'll tend to use one set for that week. But what I was thinking at home was, because we're in lockdown, I would give this a go. Excuse the noise in the background. My son and my husband, I just can't tell them to shut up in the house, so they've got to be able to do their own thing. But I thought I'd try something that I used to do many years ago. Now, I swear, absolutely swear to you, hand on heart, I have not done this. So I've just bought it. So if you do like the look of it at the end of it, not so sure whether we're going to, but we'll give it a go. I'll leave a links in the description below for you to be able to get hold of these as well. So I've gone for the Natural Lash Salon System Individual Lash Adhesive. This is semi-permanent adhesive, and I forgot to get the remover, but I can get that later. If it's no good, then I'm stuck with them. And then I went and got these. So these are all the individual lashes, but what it is they're individual. I don't know whether you can see it, but they're on like a little kind of beady thing, and then maybe 4 or 5 spritz off. Now, I used to do this, oh my word, 20 years ago. And I just thought, do you know what? I'm going to give it a bash. And I'm going to do it on camera for the first time. So it used to look good many years ago, so I'm just going to open this now. But I swear, obviously you've seen it, it's all in its packaging. I have not tried this for years. I'm just going to actually give it a shake, give it a good old shake. I got the black because the black tends to, now all I've done is pour, and that's probably going to stick to that. All I've done is poured a little bit onto the top of my MAC. Now you have to excuse me because I'm going to have to use this mirror here whilst I'm putting them on, because I can't see there. You're there, my mirror's there, my big mirror, and then I've got to have a look in here. So you need a pair of tweezers. I'm saying this, I haven't done it for years, so I don't know how it's going to turn out. And when you actually look at the lashes themselves, when I just take them out of the packet, you get, I've got a flare mixed black. Say that when you've had a gin and tonic. So you've got bigger ones here, and then it comes down to slightly smaller, and then slightly smaller again. So what you're going to do when you do this is you're going to use the bigger ones on the outside, and then you're going to move smaller on the inside. I don't know how it's going to turn out. Do you think that is going to be a little bit too long? Let's have a look. I think that is too long. You see what my nose? So what I'm going to do, oh my word, I'm so nervous. I can't even tell you. I'm not going to go with that one because I think that's too long. So I just want a natural look. So let me go with, I'm going to see this one. So this is like the middle size. Yeah, that's a better length for me. Can you see? Right. Oh, let's see if this works. Or whether I'm going to look an absolute idiot. But I'm in lockdown, so who cares? They last roughly around about 10 days. It hasn't cost me much to be able to do it. It's probably about a tenner all in all. Right, so what you're going to do is dab the end bit, the really tiny end bit, into a little bit of glue like that. There we go. Got a little bit of glue. And then you're just going to pop that on like so. Da, da, da. If I look a wally, it's your fault. Check it out, sisters. Hey, it's not bad. Not bad, is it?
The night starts falling. It's getting colder, colder than it's ever been. And I don't feel.
So I've gone up to there, if you can see, and there. So what I'm going to do now is, because I've done the mixed black, so I've done the mixed sizes, I'm going to go with the smaller ones as I come in here.
Something beyond life. Something we'll never get. Just like the movies. Something I've never.
This is like, I can't even tell you, this was like years ago I used to do this for my eyelashes, and I thought I'll give it a go, and actually they've turned out really good, haven't they? So that's just individual ones. Well, they're not individual ones, you've got lots on a little thick sort of little bulb, and then you just use this, like I've just put in the bottom, and they're my eyelashes. They're really good, aren't they? I'm really chuffed with that, I can't believe it. So, home done eyelashes. So I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on. And I'm going to cut a little bit of if you want that, that's Clarins that I use. And voila, I'm really chuffed with those. What do you think? I'm well shocked. I thought they'd be like, you go, oh gosh, did I do that years ago? It looks absolutely dreadful. But I'm actually quite surprised at how good they look, aren't they? Aren't they good? That and that, the first time in 20 odd years since I've done it, and quite surprised and quite pleasantly surprised. Leave all the links in the description below for you. Thank you very much for joining me. I just thought I'd do a little bit of something different in lockdown, because I've never done it. Well, I haven't done it for years, and I just thought I'd give it a bash and see whether it'd actually work, because I had no eyelashes. You don't need to, it's just a little bit of fun that I've had for how many minutes with you now, and I hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you on board as part of my YouTube family, and don't forget I'm on other social media platforms as well, such as Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. I would love to have you join me on those as well. Love you lots, stay in, stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you later.